Hi everyone, welcome to day number 6. Let's open it up, see what we have. I'm starting from the bottom this time. Nope, not here. Oh, day number 6, where are you? Here it is, day number 6. Here we go. Let's see what we have. Tissue paper, a little small one this time. And we have got, yes, nice one. This Works In Transit Camera Close-Up. Now This Works is a really nice brand. I've had some stuff from them before and I don't think I've ever had this one. This is a mask moisturiser. Actually I have had this one, a bigger version, and it's really nice. You can pretty much use it as anything, so I'm really chuffed to get this one. Smaller than I would have had previously, but still a well worthy day number 6, so thank you very much. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.